Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG washing machine and it's giving you a PF error and you're wondering what this error is and how to get rid of it. So this is an electricity error, and there's a couple things that can cause it. The most likely thing that happened if you're getting this error is that it was in the middle of a cycle and there was a power outage, like there was a brownout and the electricity went out for a little bit and came back on, and then you come back in, maybe you didn't even know, maybe you weren't at the house or whatever like that, and you come back in and all of a sudden you have this PF error. So what you need to do to get rid of this is just to reset everything, because it was probably in the middle of the cycle. So what you want to do is you just want to turn it off and then unplug it, and then while it's unplugged you can just press and hold the start pause button, hold it for 5 seconds to finish the restart. Then you can restore power and turn it back on and run a cycle, and at that point everything should be working fine. So if the problem persists, you're probably going to have to call a professional, but that should get rid of the error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.